Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a profile picture to your Twitch account on the Twitch website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on channel, which is the first option. Then scroll down and tap on this customize channel button on the right side, and then you will be directed to this page where you need to click on channel on this left side column. Then tap on brand, which is the second section at the top of the screen, and tap on add profile picture in the profile picture section, and you should select a picture from your files. Then tap on upload. Here you can customize it and tap on the save button in order to upload it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.